Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Moor naam hol Jaitri, and today is day 3 at Singapore, and today is my last day in Singapore because tomorrow I'm not exactly going back to India, but I will be leaving Singapore tomorrow. I will be leaving Singapore tomorrow, and it is 8:42 a.m. right now in Singapore, while it is 6:10 in India. Moi holuge ready. Ratipa ready holu, breakfast korilu, and more or less it was the same things that has been available since the last few days over here in the breakfast buffet, and with a few items which keeps changing on an everyday basis. And today we are going to the Universal Studios, but I am a little worried for today because it has been raining in Singapore since morning. So hetu karone kiman joa hobo I am not very sure kiman enjoy koribo parim tat because borokhon di asege, and kalio okoman borokhon disilge. But anyways, let's see how the day goes. So stay tuned. Okay, so because I still have some time to leave, I just thought of sharing a piece of information with you guys about the hotel where I'm staying in. The services are very nice. I'm really enjoying my stay over here. But there's one thing that I have observed, and I think many of you guys also know about it already. In my hotel, and as far as I know, in almost every hotel in Singapore, they do not provide mineral water bottles. There are no mineral water bottles available anywhere in our hotel, and as far as I know, in the other hotel rooms also. Around in and around Singapore, and as far as I know, that's because they are very particular about the use of plastic. Bahut particular hoy, because ami jano je plastic amar environment karone kiman beya bostu hoy, so they are very particular about that. Aru hetu karone tehati mineral water bottles provide nokore. Water dispensaries ase. So we can go and we can use that. Our every floor, sub floor ote eta water dispensary ase near the lift. So amar osor eta water bottle agote asil jitu traveling or time dorkar hoisil, so tate ami refill kori pele teneke ami use kori asu. In fact, another thing is that you guys must have noticed that in the just a minute. Okay, yeah, so another thing is that again, regarding the use of plastic, you guys must have noticed, etia monot porise mor, you guys must have noticed je jetia ami hotels bilakot jao, there are toothpaste and certain toiletries that are already available, like toothpaste and shower caps. Ebur sab already available thake tat, but yet available nai. It is provided only if asked, because again, toothbrush, then shower caps and all, first of all, they are made of plastic. The next thing is that they are disposable items. So in order to lessen the use of plastic and to reduce the amount of plastic waste, yat tehati toiletries okol tetia provide kore if asked, and taku mane only selected items jitu tehati mention kori thoise, and it is provided only when asked. So that's a good move, and I really appreciate that. Etia ahok goi thaku. Etu bus goi asege from Singapore to Malaysia. So Singapore pa Malaysia loke by bus to travel koribo pari, and it takes around 6 hours. We are back to Sentosa. Aru etia ami goi asu je escalator asu. We are going towards the Universal Studio. Olop solop borokhon di ase etiao, but this is still bearable. Olop solop borokhon di ase etia. So photoshoot হ'ল আমাৰ চবৰে, আমি চবে অলপ চলপ ফটো তুলিলোঁ। তাৰপিছত বৰষুণ এতিয়াও অলপ অলপ দি আছে এজ আই মেনশ্যন। So ভালকৈ এনজয় কৰিব পাৰিলে হ'ল আৰু, বিকজ ইট ইজ ৰেইনিং ইউ ন', বেছি হেভি নহয় বাট ষ্টিল। গৈ থাকোঁ এতিয়া, চাওঁ অকণমান। We are now inside the Universal Studio. বহুত vibe আছে এইটো জেগাত, I have to say. So ইয়াতে Wi-Fi services আছে। আমি নিজৰ ফোনত Wi-Fi কানেক্ট কৰি ল'লোগে and এতিয়া photo session চলি আছেগে। I'm loving this place guys, I'm really loving it.
My friends, I was no closer up than the second.
I can't go for any of these rides because the very sight of it is making me feel nauseous. I can't do it. Okay, there's a small piece of advice that I want to give you guys, that before you plan to go for any ride, please read the instructions carefully, read the warnings, because not every ride is meant for everyone. There are certain rides out here which are extremely dangerous, which is not meant for everyone. So make sure that before you take the decision to go for a ride, read about it carefully. There are warnings and everything that will be mentioned out there. Read it carefully. Who all are eligible to go for these rides, for whom is it meant to be and for whom is it not, and what are the precautionary measures that you're supposed to take while you're on the ride. Please be very mindful of these things, because yaad nohoy kisuman rides bahut dangerous hoy. Some rides are very dangerous out here, and let me tell you, I haven't been on any ride till now. Till now I have not, because honestly speaking, I don't have the guts to go for these rides. Maybe I'm not an adventurous person that way, but I don't have the guts. Muk jodi enako lage that there are a few rides where I can go and I can enjoy, then I will. Otherwise I'm better off this way. Finally at a ride Paisu, which is my kind of ride. I mean, I hope so. I hope it is my kind of ride. Eta goi thaku. You can see at warning boli eta ase, jo briefly likha thake. There is this warning thing mentioned everywhere where it is briefly, where they briefly talk about the kind of ride it is going to be, and who all are supposed to go for the ride, who are not supposed to go for the ride. For instance, out here, expected mothers are not supposed to go, and then something like that. So it is mentioned who all are supposed to go for the ride and who are not. So it please bhalke pohi loboge, please bhalke pohi lobo. And jodi ta likha thake that it is not meant for any of you guys, then please don't go for it. Please read the warning. Warning of AO mentioned thake that during the ride, what are the do's and don'ts we need to take care of. So once again I'm saying, please read the warning carefully. Now let's go. Amere Bohilu, and the ride has begun. Efale bohi ase ke Anna? Are you excited?
Yeah, but mane eto very smooth ride hoy.
Smooth ride hoy. I'm done with my ride, and these are the kind of rides I'm meant for. I'm not an adventurous person. I'm only meant to be a part of these kind of soft rides. And I had a good time. I had a nice time.
Farewell. Enjoy far, far away. Come back for a fortune.
There are so many cute stuffs out here, man. Cute bosses out. Cute girly stuffs. That was my ride number 2. And this is my ride number 3. And this is the queue. So Amelia Bohilu, and it's our turn now. Are you all set for your third ride? Let's go. Anna?
For Silly Funland.
Local taxis with us, please remain seated and to the right.
Alright, if you wait, right?
We are now leaving the Universal Studios. Studios na studio hoy. Whatever. We are now leaving, and I just want to say that I've had a very good time over here. Very good time. Just etai problem ase. That was that happened early in the morning. Jetia. Ek minute robot it. Okay. There was just one problem that we faced early in the morning because it was raining. Few of the events were cancelled because of the rain. Apart from that, I had a very good time over here, and I'm sure many of my subscribers are going to like this vlog. I have these feelings. Bohuta bhal pabo. Ha, Universal Studios hoy ya. I have these feelings of bohuta bhal pabo ei vlog too, because I also had a very good time over here, and it does have a vibe. You know, this place does have a vibe. So yeah, I definitely recommend this place to every one of you, whoever comes to Singapore, and obviously it is one of the attractions out here. So please do visit, and please be mindful about the rides. I have had 3 rides, moi 3 rides ot golo. They were safe enough. Mane horror soli children also, child friendly hoy, family friendly hoy, tenekwa 3 man rides koilo. My sister and I. এতিয়া আমি গৈ আছোগে, and let's see এতিয়া কি কৰোঁ. I think এতিয়া আমি মেট্ৰ' ল'ম চাগে. মেট্ৰ'ত এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ কৰা হোৱা নাই. ইয়াত মেট্ৰ' ছাৰ্ভিচেছ আছে নহয় ছিংগাপুৰৰ মেট্ৰ' এতিয়ালৈকে এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ কৰা নাই. চ' এতিয়া প্লেন কৰিছোঁ যে মেট্ৰ' ল'ম আৰু মেট্ৰ' এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ কৰিম, and we'll go to our hotel, ৰেষ্ট ল'ম অকণমান টাইম, and তাৰপিছত ইভিনিং টাইমত we still have some time to roam around Singapore. So maybe মেট্ৰ'তে অকণমান ছিংগাপুৰত ফুৰিম. So let's go.